Yeah.
As to a pardon?
No, this was about in your confirmation hearing. You said in the absence of a violation of a statute, the president.
Any new words I should know about?
Politically and for using the pardon
Not
power
really.
that he did.
But you put your question power, not just the pardon power. Some people say,
I mean, it's hard to evaluate that.
presidents have been held accountable before, and as have other office holders.
Okay, last question. President Jackson.
That sound like the engine won't start, man.